my name is Nidesh Nagarasheth. I am from Mannavara. So last class we were discussing about a topic from 8th standard, that is mensuration. In mensuration we already discussed about areas of closed figure and related problems, and in last class we were discussing about area of trapezium, and based on some problems already we solved. So let us move on to the some of the more problems based on area of trapezium. This is the first problem of this video. So here just observe, we have the shape of the top of the surface of a table is trapezium. That means the table we have, the surface of the table is in the shape of trapezium. So we have to find its area. So here it is. If its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter, that is parallel side it is given, that is, so whatever we have in the formula, that is A and B, so that is 1 and 1.2 meter, 1 meter and 1.2 meter, which one also you can take, no problem. And our perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. That means, so here two parallel sides we have here, one is 1 meter and another is 1.2 meter. The perpendicular distance between them is 0.8. So that's why it's a value of h. Whatever the case we have, so there it is mentioned that it's a perpendicular distance, means it is h only, that is height only, height of the trapezium. So here the parallel side is given 1 meter and 1.2 meter, so that's why it's a A and B. First we write the given things, that is A is equal to 1 meter, take 1 meter, and B is equal to 1.2 meter, and h it is given, height it is given, it is 0.8 meter. And then, so we have to apply this in the formula. So what's the formula finding area of the trapezium? So area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. So value of h is 0.8 and a it is 1 meter plus here b is 1.2 meter. So here I have inserted all the values, just look at all the units here. So it's a meter, it's a meter, it's a meter. So all these three are in the meter. So that's why we can write in the formula. But if it is 1.2 centimeter we have, means, so other two are in the meter, means we have to convert this centimeter into meter here. Yes, is equal to. So here just observe. So we can simplify. So 0.8 into here 2.2. Here 0.8 we have, here 2.2 we have. So decimal numbers. So decimals we have here. So we can convert in the form of fractions also. 1 by 2 into. So better to convert in the form of fractions. It is easier to us. So like, so it is 8 by 10. Be careful about converting this decimal into fractions. So here 0.8, that means only one decimal point, that's why 8 by 10, and here only one decimal point. So when we want to take this decimal place before the decimal point, means we have to divide it by 10, that is 22 by 10. So here just observe, it is easy to cancel, easy to solve here. So that means 2 into 1 and 2 into 11, so is equal to 11 into 8, 88 divided by 100. So 10 into 10 it is 100, is equal to 0.88 is the answer. 0.88 is the answer. This is the area of the trapezium and it's a meter square. This area of trapezium is equal to 0.88 meter square. So we found out this answer from the use of area of trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. So using this formula we can easily find out the area of the trapezium. Let us move on to the next problem. Yes, let us move on to the next problem here. So here just observe. So we have the length of the fence of the trapezium shaped between ABCD is 120 meter. So here just observe whether it's a trapezium. Yes, obviously, because here just observe. So these two are the parallel sides and these two are the non-parallel sides here. But here one thing it is confirmed that this side AB is a perpendicular. So you just observe. So this is a perpendicular. So that's why here this AB is the height of the trapezium. So in the previous case So another thing here we have another side. So here there is no any such things, but here we have the perpendicular side. So that's why that AB is only the height of the trapezium. So whatever the measurement it is given for AB, so that one is nothing but the value of H here. Okay. So then we have to know what are the other things it is given. That is, if BC is equal to 48 meter, so BC it is given it is 48 meter. Okay. Then CD is equal to 17 meter. CD means this one it is given 17 meter, and this one why it is given. So we have to know. And AD is equal to 40 meter. Here 40 meter it is given. So these two we want here. But another thing, this one we want. Yes. So find the area of the field. So to find the area of the field means we want the side AB because it's a value of H. And side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides. Okay. So that means it's a perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides. So that means this one is the value of H. This measurement will give the H. So this is the H. As this one we have to find out. But the given thing it is, what are the given things we have here? So here just observe the length of the fence. That means the perimeter of this trapezium is 120 meter it is given, and the three sides it is given. So we can easily find out this another side. The another side is nothing but the height of the trapezium. So using the height of the trapezium, using the measurement of parallel sides, we can find out the area of the trapezium here. Yes. So let us find out the area of the trapezium. Firstly, we have to find out the H. So here is the length of the field is equal to the length of the field. The field is equal to 120 meter. It is given, that is perimeter, so is equal to the length of the field. So length of the field is equal to the sum of this BC plus BC, AD plus AB. So is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 120 meter. The sum of all those sides, it is the length of the field or length of the fence. Length of the fence it is. Let us take it's not a field, it's a fence. Yes. So AB plus BC plus AD plus TA is equal to 120 meter here. So then here what's the value of AB? So it is H. Plus what's the value of BC here? BC is equal to 48 meter. Plus CD is equal to 17. Plus DA is equal to 40. Is equal to 120 meter. Okay, so just write 120. And H is equal to H plus. So here what happens here? So here 88. 48 plus 40 means 88. 88 plus 10, 98. 98 plus 7 means it is 105. 105 is equal to 120. That is 48 plus 17 plus 40 is equal to 105. H is equal to 120 minus 105. So it came. So here 105 is in the LHS side. I will transpose this 105 to the RHS side. So here the plus addition we have. After that it is converted into subtraction. That is we have 15 here. The value of H is equal to 15 centimeter or meter. It is meter. So it's not a centimeter, it's a meter. Yes, value of H it is we have here. So using the value of H and using the pair of parallel sides, so we can find out the area of the trapezium. That is area of trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B. So here what is the value of H here? H is given, it is 15 meter. So it is we found out. And the value of A. So value of A means it's a complete side, the complete base side, that is BC is equal to 48 meter. Then value of A. So value of B we have to find. Then value of B is the another side, the parallel side, that is 40 meter. That is AD is equal to 40 meter. That one we have to take it as B. So just substitute in the formula, that is area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into what's the value of h here? It is 15 meter into here a plus b, 48 plus 40. 48 plus 40 is equal to 1 by 2 into 15 into here 48 plus 40 is equal to 88. So here 20 into 1 and here it is 44. Yes, here we have 15 into 44. It looks like some difficulty. So that's why we can split. We can factorize this one. So can we factorize this one? 15. So 22 can be write it as 44 can be write it as 4 into 11. Yes, 4 into 11 and 4 can be write it as 2 into 2. Yes, 2 into 2. So just observe 11 into 2 into 2. It is 44. Yes, using this 15 into 2, so I will multiply, it is 30. So it becomes 30 and 11 into 2, 22. So here just observe it is, we have it is simplified form. So here just observe 22 into 0, 0 and 22 into 3, it is 66, 660, it is meter square. It's not a centimeter square, it's a meter square here. So here is the only the thing it is new, it is means. So it is, we have to find out the value of h. So when it is, the length of the fence it is given. So other three sides is given. So here we can find out the value of h here. So using the value of h, we can insert in the formula of area of trapezium. So we can find out the area of the trapezium here. So there are many types of problems are there. So you have to solve by your own. So let us take some of the homework. Take one homework here. So you just observe we have the area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square. That is area of the trapezium it is already given. So that means in case of area of trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. In this case here 4 quantities are there. One is the area of trapezium and the height a and b. So that means in that area of trapezium it is given. So you have to substitute the value of area of the trapezium in place of area of trapezium in the formula. Yes. Then the length of the one of the parallel side it is given. So that means one of the parallel side, length of the one of the parallel side it is given. So for example, when we have a trapezium like this, so we have a trapezium means yes, no need of writing this trapezium here. So AB CD is a trapezium. So you just observe the area it is given, that is 34 centimeter square. It is area we have, and one of the parallel side is given. So we don't know whether it is bigger or smaller. So that's why I don't write the figure here. Don't write this diagram. So consider any one of that one. So here one of the parallel side means let us take A or let us take B. So no problem. So bigger one is the A and smaller one is the B. So that one is our understanding. But we can take any one. So you can take this A also, this one B also, or you can take B also, A also. So that means A plus B, B plus A both are same. So that's why one of the parallel side it is 10 centimeter it is given. So take A or B, no problem. And when you took A and when you took B, so it is no any difference. And the height it is given, that is 4 centimeter. That means we have to find the length of other parallel side. That's why when you take A is equal to 10 centimeter, so you have to find out the value of B. And if you took the value of B is equal to 10 centimeter, then we have to find out the value of A here. So area of trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. So in place of area of a trapezium, just insert 34, and half in place of h, just insert that one value of h, and in place of a or b, just insert it, and unknown value you have to remain as it is. And then after transposing all the things one by one, so you have to find out the value of length of the other side, that must be in the centimeter. So I hope you understood these things. Here just observe, here centimeter is there, here centimeter is there, here centimeter is there, means no need of changes, no need of changing the units. Okay, I hope you understood these things. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.